Have you ever wondered why Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is often referred to as the Red Planet? This moniker is not simply a poetic flourish, but a reference to the planet's distinctive physical attributes. Mars radiates a ruddy glow, a result of the iron-rich minerals in its regolith, or surface layer of dust and rock, that rust when exposed to the harsh elements of space. This oxidation process leaves Mars with a distinctive reddish hue, much like the process of iron rusting here on Earth. But Mars's colour isn't its only claim to fame. Its name too holds a certain intrigue. In the grand tradition of naming celestial bodies after deities, Mars was named after the Roman god of war. Why, you might ask? The answer lies in its blood-red appearance, which reminded the ancients of the brutal and fiery nature of warfare. From our earthly vantage point, Mars stands out in the night sky with its ruddy glow, a celestial beacon that has fascinated humans for thousands of years. Despite its barren and desolate appearance, Mars has long captivated the interest and curiosity of scientists. This is a planet of extremes, with the tallest volcano and deepest, longest canyon in the solar system. Yet, it also shares similarities with Earth, such as polar ice caps and a tilt that produces seasons. We've come a long way from the early telescopic observations of Mars to sending rovers that crawl across its surface. Each discovery peels back a layer of the Martian mystery, revealing a planet that is much more than just its red colour. But the exploration of Mars is more than a scientific endeavour. It's a reflection of our inherent curiosity, our need to venture into the unknown to understand our place in the cosmos. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, Mars is not just a red dot amidst the stars, but a world of its own, waiting to reveal its secrets. Despite its barren and desolate appearance, Mars has long captivated the interest and curiosity of scientists. Mars, once one of the universe's greatest mysteries, has gradually revealed its secrets to us. Our journey of discovery commenced centuries ago, with early astronomers peering into the heavens with their rudimentary telescopes. These pioneers first painted the red planet not as a distant celestial body, but as a world with its own unique characteristics. Our understanding of Mars took a giant leap in the 20th century with the advent of space exploration. Robotic probes like Mariner and Viking in the 70s provided us with our first close-up views of Mars, transforming it from a blurry red dot into a dynamic world. They unveiled a planet with towering volcanoes, deep canyons, and evidence of surface water in its distant past. The dawn of the 21st century propelled our knowledge even further. The Mars exploration rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, embarked on a mission of incredible endurance and discovery. They roamed the Martian surface for years, far exceeding their expected lifetimes, and uncovered undeniable evidence of ancient water activity. Currently, we have sophisticated missions like NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance rovers and the European Space Agency's ExoMars program. These missions are equipped with advanced tools to study the red planet's geology, weather, and potential for life. They drill into rocks, analyze soil samples, and monitor the Martian atmosphere, providing us with invaluable data. Moreover, Mars orbiters, like the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and MAVEN, keep a constant eye on the planet from above. They study its surface, weather patterns, and even peer beneath the surface to detect subsurface water. The journey to unravel Mars's secrets has been a chronological relay, with each mission building upon the discoveries of its predecessors. These explorations have not only enhanced our understanding of Mars, but also provided deeper insights into its water history and past climatic conditions. The red planet no longer remains a distant, mysterious world. It's a place we're getting to know, one discovery at a time. One of the most compelling questions about Mars revolves around the possibility of life. For many, the red planet stands as a symbol of the unknown, a celestial body that could potentially answer some of our most profound questions. Could Mars have once harbored life? Could it still? The idea is not as far-fetched as it may seem. The available data points to the possibility that Mars once contained liquid water, a vital ingredient for life as we know it. This ancient water could have created a nurturing environment for life to flourish. Picture a Mars of the distant past with flowing rivers, vast oceans, and maybe even life forms thriving in its waters. But where is the evidence? Ice remnants have been discovered at the poles of Mars, further supporting the hypothesis of a once water-rich planet. These icy deposits, a mixture of water and carbon dioxide, are like frozen time capsules, preserving the planet's climatic history. The presence of these ice caps also points to another exciting possibility. If Mars had water in the past, it might still have water today. Not on its surface, where the thin atmosphere and low pressure would cause any exposed water to either freeze or evaporate, but underground. Imagine, beneath the barren, dusty surface, an aquifer system, a reservoir of liquid water waiting to be discovered. Of course, water alone does not guarantee life, but it does open the door to the possibility, and it's a door that scientists are eager to push open. They are looking for signs of past or present life on Mars, searching for clues in the planet's geology, atmosphere, and most importantly, in its water. Despite these intriguing findings, the quest for definitive evidence of current life on Mars continues. Each new discovery adds another piece to the puzzle, bringing us one step closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? The exploration of Mars is far from over. In fact, the red planet continues to be the object of fascination and subject of meticulous study with numerous ongoing and future missions. At this very moment, NASA's Perseverance rover is making its way across the Martian landscape. It's not just any rover, it's the most advanced astrobiology lab ever sent to another world. Its primary mission, to seek signs of ancient life and collect samples of rock and regolith for a possible return to Earth. Meanwhile, China's Tianwen-1 mission is also pioneering its own exploration of Mars. This mission is China's first independent exploration of another planet, and it consists of an orbiter, a lander, and a rover. Tianwen-1 seeks to understand the Martian environment and geography, as well as potential resources for future manned missions. And let's not forget the other rovers that have left their tire marks on Mars. From Spirit and Opportunity to Curiosity, these robotic explorers have paved the way for our current understanding of Mars, revealing the planet's geologic history, climate and potential for sustaining microbial life. But as they say in the space business, Mars is hard. The challenges are many, from the harsh environment to the sheer distance from Earth. Yet these difficulties have not deterred the spirit of exploration. Looking ahead, NASA's Mars 2020 mission is set to carry on the legacy of Mars exploration. It will not only continue the search for signs of ancient life, but also test new technology that could benefit future robotic and human missions to the red planet. The exploration of Mars is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. With each mission, we draw closer to understanding the red planet better. The enigma of Mars continues to unfold, and with it, our place in the cosmos becomes a bit clearer. As we continue to explore, who knows what astonishing discoveries await us on the horizon? Indeed, the exploration of Mars is far from over. With each mission, we draw closer to understanding the red planet better. Mars holds a unique fascination for us, but what makes this planet so intriguing? There are several reasons why Mars captivates our curiosity and imagination. Firstly, Mars bears an uncanny resemblance to Earth. Of all the celestial bodies in our solar system, Mars is the most Earth-like. It shares commonalities with our home planet, such as the presence of polar ice caps, mountains, valleys, and volcanoes. This similarity gives us the opportunity to understand the evolution of terrestrial planets and our own world's place in the cosmos. Secondly, the potential for past life on Mars is a tantalizing prospect. Research suggests that Mars may have once harbored liquid water, and with it, the possibility of life. Studying the Martian surface and analyzing soil samples could provide invaluable insights into the origins and evolution of life, not just on Mars, but on Earth as well. Thirdly, the prospects for future colonization of Mars are thrilling. Mars is the most viable destination for human habitation outside of Earth. Numerous studies and preparations are underway to send astronauts to Mars, and there are plans to establish a human colony on the red planet in the future. Fourthly, Mars is rich in natural resources that could support human exploration and colonization. These include air, water, and minerals such as iron and diamonds, along with abundant solar energy. Harnessing these resources could be key to our survival and progression on Mars. In conclusion, Mars intrigues us because it is a world that is at once familiar and alien. It holds the promise of new scientific discoveries and the potential for extraordinary human achievement. As technology advances and our scientific understanding deepens, we stand a greater chance than ever before of unraveling the mysteries of the red planet.